Want to lose weight without going hungry? The secret is in the ingredients in your smoothies. In this video, I'll show you how to choose the right ingredients to create smoothies that help you lose weight. Stay with me. Smoothies are an easy and delicious way to lose weight, but only if you know what you're putting in them. Today, we'll talk about the keys to creating smoothies that are full of nutrients, low in calories, and ideal for weight loss. Let's get started. How many of you have tried smoothies to lose weight, but didn't see the expected results? The reason could be the ingredients you're using. Many smoothies are full of sugar and calories, which can prevent you from losing weight. Today, I'll show you how to choose the right ingredients to create smoothies that actually work. The base of your smoothie is very important. Instead of fruit juices that are full of sugar, use water, almond milk, or coconut milk. These options are low in calories and do not add unnecessary sugar. Fruit is healthy, but don't forget that they contain natural sugar. Use fruits with a low glycemic index, such as berries, apples, or pears. A banana or mango is good, but don't overdo it. Fiber is the secret to feeling full for longer. Add spinach, kale, or avocado to increase the fiber content without adding a lot of calories. Protein is essential to maintain your muscles and feel satisfied. Add a scoop of protein powder, Greek yogurt, or nuts for a protein boost. Don't add honey, syrup, or sugar to your smoothies. If you want a sweet taste, use natural sweeteners like stevia or a small amount of fruit. Now that you know how to choose the right ingredients, you can create smoothies that are not only delicious, but also help with weight loss. Remember, the secret is in the quality of the ingredients you use. Start today and see the results. In this video, we learned that smoothies can be a powerful tool for weight loss as long as we choose the right ingredients. Focus on a healthy base, fruits in moderation, fiber, protein, and avoid added sweeteners. With these tips, you're ready to create smoothies that work. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more tips and recipes. See you in my next video.